Java Fern, scientific name coming at you right now. This is just your standard Java Fern, none of the different species and types that are out there, because this is the standard version and it's the easiest one to find out and about at fish stores and online. These plants originally come from Southeast Asia, and there's actually over 50 species of tropical ferns as part of its family. It's one of the more popular first plants for beginners, but it can be slightly finicky. The first finicky thing about it is that it's a rhizome plant, and a lot of first-time fish keepers that get these might not know that you can't bury the rhizome part, which is the base of the plant. If that gets buried, the plant basically suffocates. So the cool thing about this one is you can stick it in a piece of driftwood, through some decor, use a little tiny bead of crazy glue and glue it to a rock or something. As long as that rhizome on the bottom does not get buried, you'll be fine and your plant should grow. Now these plants are also popular because they're considered extremely easy, as they do not have really any strict water parameters and they don't require crazy lighting. These are going to want more low to moderate lighting anyway. And if you do get one and you notice that your ends of your plant are becoming brown, then there's probably too much light in your tank actually. So you have to either reduce the amount of time you're giving your plant with the light or reduce the strength of your light. As far as grow wise, these things get as tall as 13 inches and as wide as 6 to 8 inches, which is why they are typically a mid-ground plant or closer to the back. Personally, I put them anywhere I find a spot. Temperature, they can go pretty much anywhere from 68 up to 82, and a pH range of 6 to about 7.5. I've been keeping 2 in my African cichlid tank for about 2 years now. That pH sits at 7.7. The tank gets upwards of 82, so I can confirm they don't mind slightly higher temperatures. And if you get your plant and you realize that it's not growing right away, that's because for the first few weeks you have in your tank, it goes kind of like into a dormancy period while it gets used to everything, and then it will slowly start to grow. And it is a very slow growing plant, but if you want to give them like a liquid fertilizer, it will help them grow. They won't pull any nutrients from the substrate, they pull it through their leaves. So if you want to do as a liquid fertilizer, you can. It's not required though. If you do get one of these and you notice that your leaves are slowly getting brown spots on them, then there actually probably is not enough nutrients in your tank, so you will want to give it a fertilizer. Could also be that there's too much light, or there's an algae like a blue-green algae which is killing your plant or starving it. And you pretty much can put these with any fish and you won't have an issue as long as they're not a typical plant-eating fish. Like I said, I keep them with African imbunas and they have not touched them and they are fine. So overall, I'm going to give the Java Fern a 7 out of 10 for its ease of care, its ability to adapt, and the way it propagates is super easy as well. So it's definitely up there for a great first time plant keeper. And as always, thank you so much for the support on all the videos, but please, if you have not, remember to hit the like button, leave a comment, click the sub button, and ding the bell if you have not yet already, and I will see you guys in the next one.